Welcome back to the podcast. You're not just shipping boxes, you're moving a life. International relocation to Spain involves long transit times, multiple handoffs, and strict customs. That means packing is not a chore to rush. It's the foundation of a safe, smooth move. When pros do the packing, your goods are wrapped with expert compliant materials. They're cataloged for customs and prepared to handle ocean humidity, vibration, and stacking pressure. Here are 3 reasons that it matters. First, protection that travels. Export-grade wraps, double and triple-walled cartons, and moisture barriers and edge guards reduce breakage in ways store-bought supplies simply cannot. 2, customs ready by design. A clean, detailed room-by-room inventory speeds Spanish customs and reduces inspection risks, which keeps your move moving. 3, insurance eligibility. If you want broad, all-risk coverage, most insurers require professional packing. Our team packs to those standards so you can choose the protection level that fits your comfort. Do you want a deep dive and a quote? You can give us a call or visit our website to start your plan. We have some helpful links on our website under our professional packing services, our Spain custom forms, and how to get a free quote. Are you ready? Give us a call, 844-651-7050, or visit our website today.